Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Ford Escape tail light. First, make sure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is set. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and your new tail light assembly. Open the rear liftgate to easily reach the screws that hold the tail light in place. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, find the two Phillips head screws holding the tail light in place and carefully remove them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back. It might feel a little snug, but avoid prying. Then, twist each bulb socket counterclockwise to release the bulbs from the old housing. With the old assembly removed, transfer your working bulbs into the new tail light housing by twisting them clockwise into their sockets. Carefully align the new tail light assembly with the mounting holes on your vehicle. Gently push the assembly straight forward until it sits flush against the body, ensuring a proper fit. Finally, reinsert and tighten the two Phillips head screws to secure your new tail light assembly firmly in place. Before you hit the road, turn on your vehicle and test all the lights: brake lights, turn signals, and running lights. Make sure everything is working correctly. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.